Hello everyone, how are you? Today is Friday, March 19th, 2021. It's time for our English section named Grammar. Our today lesson will deal with nouns. We are going to make you know how to tell and use the singular and plural of nouns. As many of you know it, nouns are used to name a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. For example, for the plural form of most nouns, we add s to the end. Example, bottle, singular, bottles, plural. Cup, cups. Window, windows. Example of sentence: there is one bottle in my room. There are two bottles in my room. For nouns ending with ch, x, s, and ss, we add es to the end. Example, singular, box, plural, boxes. Watch, watches. Bus, buses. Miss, misses. There is one box in my room. There are two boxes in my room. For nouns ending with fe, the f changes to v and we add s to the end. Example, singular, wolf, plural, wolves. Wife, wives. Live, lives. Life, lives. Example of sentence: I have one wife. My brother have 3 wives. It was all for today, and thanks for attending this section. Don't hesitate to bring your contribution, and don't forget also to subscribe on our YouTube channel in order to support this great initiative. See you next.